and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Fab 5 Friday, so I've got another 5-ingredient recipe for you that's absolutely delicious. Today we are making grilled fish tacos. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love tacos. Who doesn't love tacos? But most importantly, you love helping out a good cause. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and check the description below for the details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. All right, so with all of our 5-ingredient recipes, they usually start with salt, pepper, and some sort of fat. So either butter or oil. Today I'm going to use butter because I think it's going to impart a little more flavor than the oil would. So in addition to that, your 5 ingredients you're going to need is some tilapia or some fish of your choice. You could use cod or whatever you like. I prefer to use a white fish though. Some small flour tortillas. I've got some mayonnaise, some cabbage, and then I've got some chipotle and adobo. So much flavor in here, right? So while my butter's melting down, I'm going to go ahead and get some mayonnaise out of here. And that's about 1/4 of a head of cabbage. I think I used maybe 1/3. I'm just going to put enough mayonnaise on here to coat all of it. So we're going to stir this. All right, I think that's good. And now I'm going to stir in my chipotles and adobo. So you find, if you've never bought those before, you find those in the Mexican section. All right, yes, tons of flavor in this bowl. I'll put the lid back on here. So I've got my butter melting over medium-high heat. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to take my fish really quick. I'm going to go ahead and salt and pepper my fish. Flip it over. Same thing on the other side. Yeah. Oh, I got a big chunk of pepper on there. All right, we're going to wait till this butter gets nice and hot. A little bit hotter anyway, because I want to be able to get like a nice sear on the fish. All right, I think that's good. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my fish down in here. I'm going to let them cook for a few minutes on this side, and then we'll flip them over. And this one I might need to leave in here just a little bit longer. This one's quite a bit thicker than the other one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and flip these. I think this one might already be done, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and flip it. Just a few more minutes. And I think those look just about perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my heat. I'm going to push this out of the way. Bring these over to our plate. And then I went ahead and warmed up my tortillas. And this is our tortilla. It's not a warmer. It's a keep it warmer. So these will actually stay warm up to an hour. All right, so a little piece of fish, put a little bit of my slaw right on here. And my fish. And let's give it a taste. The slaw is what makes it so good. You might want to put like half of the chipotles that I put. This is pretty hot. So you might want to use half of what I put in there. But oh my gosh, these are so good. And I can make this as hot as I want, though, because I'm the only person that really kind of likes fish around here. I mean, Draven, if I deep fry fish, he'll eat a fish sandwich. And Mark, he'll eat fish sticks if they come out of like a box, like Gordon made them. But regular grilled fish, he really doesn't want anything to do with it. But I got to tell you, I did take a little bit of fish, a little bit of shrimp, and a little bit of crab meat. And I did it just the same way that I did here. The only thing that I changed was I think I had a little bit of queso cheese that we crumbled on top. And I had the 3 different seafoods, and then I put a little bit of honey and lime juice on there, and they were phenomenal. Everybody loved those. So, and I got them to eat fish. There was a little bit in there. But anyway, go ahead and give these a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching. Bye.